BDM is currently providing rebuilding support in eastern Kentucky after the deadly 2022 flooding. During the week of July 25, 2022, a single storm system moved across multiple states, causing flash flooding that resulted in 44 deaths in Kentucky and widespread catastrophic damage. The project is located in Letcher County, Kentucky. BDM volunteers will be working on building new homes on higher ground property, as well as repairing and elevating existing homes in the surrounding area. Volunteer work will include various stages of new construction, from foundations to painting. Repairs to damaged existing homes will vary. The construction partner is Homes, Inc., a nonprofit that has provided affordable, efficient housing solutions to distressed communities in eastern Kentucky since 1984. Volunteer housing is located in several buildings on property owned by Homes, Inc. in Fleming Neon, Kentucky. One building hosts the kitchen, office, and the dining and gathering areas. There are 2 other buildings with bunk rooms for women and men. The kitchen area of one of these bunkhouse buildings is where the lunch packing takes place each morning. Showers are available in the BDM shower trailer. Project leaders are housed in a room in the common building, as well as a house on another area of the property. 15 volunteers are needed each week to serve on this site. A household assistant is needed each week to support the housing site, including helping to prepare meals. Contact your group or church leader or district disaster coordinator to rebuild with BDM on the Letcher County site. Visit www.brethren-disasterministries.org for more information on this project.